Hello. Do you have a 2014 Audi? Or even kind of any Volkswagen or Audi that has a bit of a steering issue? When you're steering, it's kind of like, it kind of binds in certain areas. Well, there's a TSB about that where it comes to the U-joints binding. So I've got this one disconnected and I want to demonstrate how you can test it very quickly. U-joint, as you see, very easy, up and down. This way, not so much. Not as easy to turn. Because you can see the whole, like this way, I mean, barely shakes the shaft here. This way, I'm moving the whole damn thing. So, there's your binding. So there is an updated part for this whole steering shaft. It goes from here all the way up to the rack, and there's this little boot thing on it. It shouldn't be that bad. It's supposed to be like 2-ish hours to replace. So hopefully if you have a binding steering, then this will help. So we have the new steering shaft in. It's best to pop it from the top, and we'll grab those little ears and pull them down. But this is pretty much only goes on one way, which is pretty nice. So that's handy. You can't get it backwards or get it off by teeth or whatever. So this you wouldn't need an alignment or anything like that when you're done. It'll just hook up and go. So we'll get that pulled through, get the bolts tight, and that should be all you need to do. It's real easy to get to under the dash. You didn't even have to take any of the dash panels out. It's right there. When you get this pulled through, there's this lip that you need to make sure you have around it so it gives a nice water seal to not let any moisture through there. It is a pain. You're gonna have to use some pliers. I use needle nose to grab this section, but you just kind of stuff it from the top as you put it in, and then you come down here and you pull on these little things to pull it out enough to get it worked around. And now we got it all seated. So now we just bolt it in and we're done. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps. And I just literally got water on my camera. Nice.